So this is leftover from romaine lettuce that we'd bought at the grocery store. After we had peeled off the big leaves and used them on sandwiches, I stuck this in some water. And of course you can see how it grew a little bit. But I'm going to bring it out here and I'm going to put it in this 4x8 square foot raised bed garden in with my turnip greens. I'm going to dig a hole. And I'm going to put it down in there as far as I possibly can. I'm going to put that bottom of this thing all the way down. All the way down. And then I'm going to push the dirt up around it. And if it grows, it grows. If it don't, it'll decompose and feed the grass. Or,